Five Nights at Freddy Part 2. So baka nga sa mga video na to guys, ito na po yung mismong Part 2 ng Five Nights at Freddy. This is actually Part 2 kasi may Part 2 tayo na video. Kumbaga, ito yung Season 2. So baka nga sa mga video na to guys, hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe, subscribe ka na. At share mo na to sa mga tropa mo na panitay natin. Ligi. Yes. Ito tayo para, oh my god, panood tayo. At feeling ko medyo mahirap na siya ngayon. Hindi na siya gaya ng dati. So mas mahirap na siya kumpara ngayon sa mas naman na sila.
Hello and welcome to your new summer job at the new and improved Freddy Fazbear's Pizza. I'm here to talk you through some of the things you can expect to see during your first week here and to help you get started down this new and exciting career path. Now, I want you to forget anything you may have heard about the old location. You know, some people still have a somewhat negative impression of the company. That old restaurant was kind of left to rot for quite a while, but I want to reassure you, Fazbear Entertainment is committed to family fun and above all, safety. They've spent a small fortune on these new animatronics. Facial recognition, advanced mobility, they even let them walk around during the day. But most importantly, they're all tied into some kind of criminal database so they can detect a predator a mile away. Heck, we should be paying them to guard you. Now that being said, no new system is without its kinks. You're only the second guard to work at that location. The first guy finished his week but complained about conditions. We switched him over to the day shift. So, hey, lucky you, right? Mainly he expressed concern that certain characters seem to move around
so far, hindi pa namang gumagalaw itong mga to.
Now, from what we know, that should be impossible. That restaurant should be the safest place on Earth. So while our engineers don't really have an explanation for this, the working theory is that the robots were never given a proper guidance. So when it gets quiet, they think they're in the wrong room. So then they go try to find where the people are, and in this case, that's your office. So our temporary solution is this. There's a music box over by the prize counter, and it's rigged to be wound up remotely. So just every once in a while, switch over to the prize counter video feed and wind it up for a few seconds. It doesn't seem to affect all of the animatronics, but it does affect one of them. And as for the rest of them, we have an even easier solution. You see, there may be a minor glitch in the system, something about robots thinking of an endoskeleton without its costume on, and one stuff in the suit. So hey, we've given you an empty Freddy Fazbear. Problem solved. You can put it on any time and leave it on for as long as you want. Eventually, anything that's wandered in will wander back out. Something else worth mentioning is kind of the quartz modern design of the building. You may have noticed there are no doors for you to close. But hey, you have a light, and even though your flashlight can run out of power, the building cannot. So don't worry about the place going dark. Well, I think that's it. You should be golden. Check the lights, put on the Freddy hat if you need to. Keep the music box wound up. Piece of cake. Have a good night.
Oh my goodness, yes. Mahirap. Wait naman dito siya guys. Oh my goodness. Ang hirap niya. Mas may nahirap na siya ngayon. Mas pinahirap na siya guys. Oh my goodness. Actually, this is my first time na laruin ko to. So okay lang. Yung mga bago. Ang lupit yung dami sa nila. Yung hindi mo kasi maintindihan dito guys, this is the shipping to. So Talagang makakapasok sa taking gusto ko. Oh my goodness. Talaga talaga hindi sila makakapasok ang gusto na pinabantayan mo yung mga ayun, pinabantayan talaga. Okay. Pink party, it's party. Okay. Kahit night 1 lang muna matapos natin yun guys kasi medyo mahirap siya. Hindi na siya kagaya ng isa na nilaro natin. Talagang mahirapan ka din. Okay, wala pa naman ako nakikita dito so far. Kompleto pa sila. Sana right here again. So guys, kasi binabantayan mo yung mga bantayan lang natin to. Yung nagpaparamdam na. Oh my goodness, feeling ko pupunta dito. Kaya 5 PM din sila bagal. Sure, pwede naman natin bantayan to. Ayan dito siya. So almost gumagalaw na po sila lahat. For now gumagalaw na sila dito siya. 5 AM. Kada maging 6 AM muna siya. Nagulat ako dun. Okay. Na-handle natin yung ano, parang hindi pa. Night 2. Anong gagawin natin sa night 2? Ewan ko din po. Nagkukol. Sige, sagutin mo yan, Mike.
Hello? Yeah, I told you your first night wouldn't be a problem. You're a natural. By now, I'm sure you've noticed the
So, feeling ko lang guys, mas magiging mahirap na yung night 2. Hindi siya magiging easy for me. Kasi ngayon parang nahihirapan na tayo eh. Paano pa kaya po? Itong taka hindi pa gumagana yung mga nandito. Kasi kapag yung gumana, boy, patay ka na. Madami na yung bapantayan mo. Yung parang nahihirapan ka na. Ano pa naman?
I love those old characters. Did you ever see Foxy the Pirate? Oh wait, Foxy. Oh yeah, Foxy. Hey, listen. That one was always a bit twitchy. I'm not sure if the Freddy head trick will work on Foxy. If for some reason he activates during the night and you see him standing at the far end of the hall, just flash your light at him from time to time. Those older models would always get disoriented with bright light. It would cause a system restart or something. Come to think of it, you might want to try that on any room where something undesirable might be. You might hold it in place for a few seconds. That glitch might carry over to the newer models too. One more thing. Don't forget the music box. I'll be honest, I never liked that puppet thing. Always thinking that I can go anywhere. I don't think a Freddy mask will fool it. So just don't forget the music box. Anyway, I'm I'm sure it won't be a problem. Have a good night, and I'll talk to you tomorrow.
Oh, sheesh. Good. So, dami nila ka. Diba sinong online ko? Dami ni Lods. Sheesh. Oh my god. Yun nga guys, sana nag-enjoy po kayo sa video na to. Maraming salamat sa panonood niyo. Gusto li. Paalam. Oh my god, ang hirap.